this panel of control. So there are 5 services right here that offers and comes in with this package of XAMPP. So at this moment, by far, we will be viewing just this one service, that is Apache, and this is just needed to be executing the web programs that are made by PHP. Having all of this, we are set up to execute our first program of PHP. So let's get into in our text editor, and in this case I will be using Visual Studio Code. Our project generally, this have to be located in the htdocs file into the XAMPP file. Doing with the video, we're going to be we're going to create a new file that is the logo right here. You click on it, and I will be naming it as a hello world dot extension with PHP. And how I allocate or how do I write my first hello world? And there is a fundamental tag to be firstly get hands on it of writing PHP code, and this tag and the following tag is this one. It's like HTML. If you have basis with HTML, there's an open tag and a closing tag. So basically, under here, you can start to writing code, PHP code. And to display our first hello world program in the browser, we're going to say it or write echo. And echo, we're gonna make able to us to write a string that we will be printing it on the server, and the server consequently will be displaying it on the web browser. So we write our string to be displayed in the browser. I'm sorry. Excuse me, just to tabulate here. So just this one line you have to write in this PHP file to get displayed this hello world in our web browser. So we're going to confirm it right now. Okay, now in the browser, the next step that we have to take is by writing the local host first, next by a slash, or followed by a slash, normal slash, and we're going to say to the server, or type in the browser as well, the name of the file that we put in our PHP project. So in my case, I named it my first PHP program. So in this, I have to write it in this way. And there is my unique file that I have created as I shown to you in the part before. So I click on this file, and I have already displayed the string that I have wrote